This is a Japanese knife handle called a wa handle. It's a great design, lightweight, beautiful, and very easy to replace. They're more sturdy than people think, but sometimes they get damaged or knife nerds like us just want to throw on a cool looking handle. Today, I will show you how to replace the handles on your Japanese knives. The process is simple. Choose a new handle, check the sizing, remove the handle, adjust the fit on the new handle, and attach to a knife. But there are areas where it's easy to make beginner mistakes. So I'll help you avoid those pitfalls and rehandle your knife like a pro. First, we need to choose our new handle. Japanese knives come in all shapes, sizes, and materials. So we want to narrow down the selection by choosing a handle that is right size. I am rehandling this Anryu Santoku, so I'm going to remove any handles that are too big or too small. I'll also compare the size of the hole to the size of the tang. Once I have the size narrowed down, I'm going to pick a handle shape and material I like. We have some oval, D-shape, and octagon handles. I think I'll go with this octagon one-piece oak because I have a knife with this handle on them. I also really like this oak wood. It feels very good. But there are lots of woods to choose from, so go for the one you like. So now it's time to remove the handle. Most wa handles can be removed by first soaking in hot water for several minutes to loosen any glue, or I sometimes use the toaster oven to loosen any glues. Then I take this high-tech piece of equipment, a piece of wood, and a piece of a mallet. I line the wood up with the blade so it contacts the bottom of the handle and hold it carefully to keep my hand away from the edge. Firmly tap the top of the wood and should knock off the handle. If this technique doesn't work, you can also break off the handle, but do so carefully to avoid damaging the blade or yourself. Now we need to clean off the tang and check the sizing against the new handle. Don't worry too much if the tang doesn't fit the hole properly at this point. I'll heat up the tang and basically burn the wood to fit the handle. This way, the handle fits much better than simply gluing it into place. If the tang is still too big after burning it in, we can carefully resize it with a file or sander, or we can use specialized tool to resize the hole. If the hole is too big, you find a way to fill it like using epoxy or glue. Make sure the tang fits to the right depth, but also that it lines up with the handle on the X and Z axis before gluing it in. Carefully check that blade is lined up with the handle properly. Once the knife is fitted, we fill the hole partway with our adhesive of your choice. An easy option is to use some slices of glue stick, but I like these plastic chips because it's a little bit easier to fill the hole in. We then insert the tang. If you're using a glue gun stick or plastic chips, carefully heat the tang and melt them in the handle. Allow the adhesive to set for a while, and congratulations, you just rehandle a kitchen knife. Like I said, it's not difficult, but it requires patience and a methodical approach. If you have a knife that needs rehandling, get in touch and we'll see what we can do. You can visit us in the store or contact us at hello@knifewear.com. Thanks for watching. Check out this playlist for more repairs and sharpening videos.